future Greg here. I'm actually recording this because I didn't record my last trade. I copy traded 3 of my live accounts and was rolling back and forth between my other computer, which has Thinkorswim up, and because my quant tower lost its Rithmic connection, and as if you've been watching my other videos, I lose all data, whatever, up until the point I reconnect. But anyways, my last trade, I entered a short position around 3:17 p.m. Eastern at 5263 level, expecting a drop down to about the 5255 level. Luckily, we ended up getting that drop down to the even lower than that, my take profit level. But my take profit level was this 5258 level, and I closed out for a $500 trade. This put me up on all of my 3 live PA accounts through Apex, up $335.20 for the day. And I'll show you my RTrader Pro right here. And so I'd call this a successful day. It's $1,000, and I'll take it. Anyways, let's get to my earlier trades. And I think one of the things, looking back on those trades, I was a little eager to jump in on some trades earlier, just to, 1, get recordings, but 2, because of the RTrader, Apex, whatever issues earlier today. And so I think I need to practice some patience and some more discipline down the road. If stuff like that happens, interrupts your day, or, whatever you had planned in your mind. And so fortunately, I was able to close off the day green, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I think I'm going to sit out tomorrow and try to get in their Discord so I can see announcements. I think they locked it out earlier, but hope everyone has a good day. Enjoy the video. Okay, it's May 30th, 2024, 1:44 p.m. Eastern. I am copy trading to 3 of my live accounts, and let's see what's going on in the markets. Earlier, there were some issues with Rithmic. I blew a eval account, and it looks like they were having some issues, and I experienced the same thing where orders weren't being closed out, or they didn't show anything on the screen, and Rithmic still showed you were in a position, and then you closed out that position, and it put you in an opposite position, and then they just weren't closing, and you could do everything you wanted inside of RTrader Pro, and it just wasn't closing anything out. So I had these phantom orders happen after that account got liquidated. It was really weird. And as you can tell, those happened after the liquidation. And so, not really sure. But apparently, according to people online, my sources, my inside sources, everything's fine. And I've done a few trades right before lunch and right before this recording, and it seems to be working fine. I like the levels we're at right now. We're bouncing above the 5274 level. That was a high from, I think, yesterday. I'm still missing bars on my charts, so I'm kind of going blind. I'm referencing Yahoo charts since I don't have Thinkorswim on this computer. But I think I'm going to get in a long position here. Check a few things. I think we have upside potential to about the 280 levels, potentially 284. But the only thing that's kind of making me have some reservations is that the entire market's slightly down. Looks like we're on an upward trend. So I'm going to wait, see if we have a pullback here to the 21 again, which will be right at that 274 mark, and that's where I want to get in. And we'll limit the risk to about 1.5 points. Actually, I'm going to go lower to right there. And we'll limit this risk to 1 point. Oh no, I think I'm trading the eval account again. Flatten. PA. All right, let's do this. Where'd I have that at? All right, let's see if we get a little bounce. Oh no, there's actually a lot of selling here. See if this 272 level holds. I want to see this bounce off of it. Make sure I didn't miss any meetings. Good for the rest of the day. Still seeing some selling pressure. patience. I think I need to target a little lower. Yeah. I like that entry. I like it. One thing I don't like about this is we're under that 274 level, but let's see how this one plays out. I meant to move that a little lower, but cross your fingers. 1 point of risk. And I'm actually thinking I should move my take profit down. Probably seeing very strong selling, which worries me. So it's $100 lost. And we are seeing some selling right now. Could come back down to this 265 level now that we're under that one key support or resistance. It's part of me that wants to go short just because of all this. I thought the trend was my friend, but apparently not. If we bounce off the 21 here, it'd be a good positive indicator. I think we are about to. Let's see where this candle closes. Still selling. Yeah, I think I just had my stop. Maybe a little too close. We close above the 21 EMA. I'm going to go long again. Actually, I'm just going to go. I'm impatient. Might come to kick me in the butt. I'm going to get stopped unless the buyers step in. And again, I think that's a perfect example of just either cutting your losses or closing a trade out early, or even taking slight profits early. All right, I'm going to get out. That'll cancel out my last trade. Hey, what's going on here? Oh, not completely. All right, I'm going to sit out, watch the charts for a bit, resume later. Oh no, are we getting a move now? We are. I guess patience also plays a role. Nah, I think we're fighting against these levels here. What was that at? 225. Yeah. Meh. Okay, resume later. All right, I'm in another position here. I think we've got some room to run down to this 268 level. We've got some selling pressure that I like. MACD crossed over. I noticed that earlier in my other two trades, which is why I was a little skeptical on those. I wanted to catch a bounce up, quick bounce up on those though. Okay. I have no clue what just happened. Watch, my bars are all going to be gone. If they are, I'm not trading anymore. Huh. The fact that these aren't updating makes me believe that there's an issue with Rithmic still.
You did see an update. It's the second this year for the 13-person news run at the Invisible Institute.
Huh.
Unfortunate investigation into how Chicago police handle Bliss and Chris's cases Robin Bradley the gloves. And then has to pull back to fresh air and who had some thoughts on it.
I appreciate it. I just
Didn't give me a budget. So, Rawhines, we're going to go back. March 21st, 1997, 13-year-old Leonard Clark and a friend were riding their bikes in search of a gas station to fix a flat tire, and they chose this station in the predominantly white neighborhood of Bridgeport because it offered free air. And I want you to take the story from there and install us to Bridgeport. What should have been next?
yeah, it's just kids about reading to it. He got spotted by
A friend from the state senior.
yeah, Cypress Arcadia, with Tennessee Space, and in fact, actually, you know,
And Frank Caruso,
Who knows if I'm still in that trade? If Rithmic is having issues, I'm wondering if it'll close it out for me. So let's exit out of that, try to connect again. I don't even remember where my stop was. I think I might have gotten stopped out. All right, so I'm just going to flatten those. I mean, I'll take it. I guess I'm up 150 for the day on all of them. Oh man, there's the move I was looking for too. Jesus. Oh my gosh, that would have been juicy. Juicy. Well, I am not going to trade for the rest of the day. As you can tell, I have no more bars, so I'd be trading in the dark. But I was right that we would come down to that 265 level-ish. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm a fortune teller, but that was the reason why I was in that short position. And honestly, I don't know if I would have closed out early if this disconnection happened, but at the end of the day, I took a profit, and again, I was down. So I lost 100 on the first trade, made 50 on the second trade. So I was down 50 and made 200 on this one. So 150 profit for 3 of my live accounts. 450 for the day. I'm going to stop this recording, and I guess I'll just sit out the rest of the day. I'll catch you all on the flip side. My auto liquidation is still moving. Am I out? I think I'm good. I hope I'm good. All right. Catch y'all later. Peace.